Hi there, students. To encroach. Normally with the preposition on, to encroach on. Or as a noun, the encroachment. Okay, to encroach means to occupy or to intrude on somebody else's territory or somebody else's rights, but slowly and surely, when you don't really have the right to do it. So he tries not to allow his work to encroach upon his family life. Or the shop had various things displayed in the street in front of the shop, and it seemed to encroach more and more on the street. I'm sorry to encroach on your time. To intrude on your time. To advance gradually beyond appropriate limits. Okay, so to take control or possession, but in a gradual way without being noticed. So the farmer had slowly encroached on the forest that was next to his field. I think cameras are encroaching on people's privacy more and more. Humans are encroaching on animal habitats and leaving them less and less space. So to take possession of somebody else's rights, but gradually, stealthily, little by little, to advance beyond the reasonable limits. Okay, to encroach, to go over the border onto something that belongs to your neighbor, perhaps. Okay, so to encroach, to intrude on another person's territory, on their rights, on their personal life, to trespass, to impinge on. Okay, so this is something that is happening slowly but surely. As sea levels rise due to global warming, then the water will encroach on the coast more and more in different places. To encroach, to enter gradually, step by step, in a stealthy way, taking something that belongs to somebody else, or taking the land or the rights that belong to someone else. So one thing encroaches on another. It begins to spread. It begins to become stronger. It begins to restrict the range or the effectiveness of a second thing. So in theory, politics and politicians should not encroach upon legal decisions. Perhaps the film industry is encroaching on what used to be the world of television. So to encroach on a space, to spread and take over slowly. The weeds were encroaching from the edge of my neighbour's garden. The bushes were encroaching on the path down to the bottom of the garden. Okay, so to encroach, I don't want my job to encroach on my family life. Okay, so I don't to encroach, to occupy something that's not yours, but slowly but surely. So let's see. Formality, encroach. 5.5, 6 informality, using the semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. And then as to origin, there's an old French word encrocher, to seize, to take. Encroc from Old French. Croc meaning a hook. So inside the hook. So basically hooked. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I won't encroach on your time anymore. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To encroachment.